Welcome to ExtraterraX, Into the Unknown. Throughout history, few questions have been as important or as controversial as the shape of our world. Is Earth flat, round, hollow, or something far stranger than we can imagine? Tonight, we dive into the theories, the science, and the mysteries of our planet. Thousands of years ago, most civilizations believed Earth was flat. The sky was a dome. The land stretched endlessly, surrounded by great oceans. To many, crossing too far could mean falling off the edge of the world. The Babylonians, the Egyptians, the Norse, all carried their own flat Earth myths. But as knowledge grew, new ideas emerged. Greek philosophers like Aristotle noticed that ships disappeared over the horizon, bottom first, then mast. He also saw Earth's curved shadow on the moon during an eclipse. By 240 BC, Eratosthenes calculated Earth's circumference using shadows and mathematics, remarkably close to modern measurements. In more recent centuries, the scientific community has overwhelmingly accepted the fact that Earth is a sphere. Gravity pulls matter into round shapes. Astronauts have seen the curvature with their own eyes. Satellites orbit our planet every day. The evidence appears overwhelming, but not everyone agrees. Flat Earth believers argue that our world is a vast plain, surrounded by an enormous wall of ice, what we call Antarctica. Above us, they claim, is not space but a dome, like a great planetarium containing the sun, moon, and stars. They believe that mainstream science is lying about the shape of the Earth. It's a conspiracy so large, so complex, that it would require the cooperation of countless scientists, governments, and world leaders across multiple nations and multiple decades to maintain. But why would they lie? For power, for profit, or to conceal something much larger? So what does science have to say about the claims of a flat Earth? Well, first of all, time zones. The Earth's rotation makes time zones necessary. If Earth were flat, one side would face eternal daylight while the other side would be in endless darkness, with a narrow band of twilight in between. This doesn't happen. We experience day and night, summer and winter, thanks to Earth's tilt and its orbit around the sun. These phenomena wouldn't exist if our planet were flat. Airlines wouldn't be able to send planes halfway around the world in mere hours. Flight paths would become long, expensive journeys, taking days rather than hours. But most importantly, the evidence of astronauts aboard the International Space Station, who orbit Earth every 90 minutes, watching its curvature daily, would be impossible to fake. So if the shape of the Earth were truly a lie, then so are the thousands of images and hours of video footage taken by those astronauts. But let's go further. Let's explore some of the wilder theories about the shape of our world. What if Earth isn't flat or round, but hollow? The idea that Earth is hollow isn't a new one. Legends speak of Agartha, a hidden realm beneath the crust. Some believe entrances to this inner world exist at the North Pole. Inside, they say, is a vast cavernous space, possibly inhabited by ancient civilizations or even new species. In 1665, Edme Custis de la Cropt claimed that the Earth's crust was only a few miles thick, with a hollow space between the crust and the outer mantle. This theory aligns with some indigenous legends, but it lacks scientific backing. The Earth's density and gravity readings don't support a hollow core. And yet the idea persists, fueled by tales of strange lights and sounds beneath the ice of Antarctica. Some believe these are signs of a hidden entrance, a gateway to another world. But what if our world isn't just flat or round or hollow? What if it's simulated? If our universe itself is stranger than we know, could the shape of Earth be part of a greater illusion? Are we pawns in a cosmic experiment, prisoners in a contained world, or explorers just beginning to glimpse the truth? This idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. The simulated reality theory aligns with quantum mechanics, which suggests the universe is built from information. If our reality is information, then it could be simulated. But this raises more questions than answers. Who created the simulation? Why are we in it? And if we're in a simulation, how do we know that it's not real? At ExtraterraX, we embrace the mysteries, aliens, UFOs, cosmic events, the hidden truths of our universe. and the very shape of the world beneath our feet. This is only the beginning. Join us as we continue our journey into the unknown. Subscribe now to ExtraterraX because the truth is out there.